myself Balamurugan, and today நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா as said in the previous video, we're going to start the blockchain development. So what are the essential things to be known? It's like an introduction video மாதிரி நீங்க consider பண்ணிக்கலாம். So let's get into it. So before knowing about the language being used, first we have to be familiar with what is meant by blockchain, right? So here we go. A blockchain is a system of recording information in the way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack or cheat the system. So இது வந்து ரொம்ப ஒரு பிரைவேட்டான ஒரு privacy. It gives more important to privacy. Okay, so this is the main thing. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger. Ledger is nothing but it's an agreement between you, buyer and a seller, right, of the transaction that is duplicated or distributed across the entire networks of the computer system on the blockchain. So it is decentralized. So for example, if you consider Google is a centralized application. So if you search for something, the Google has to extract the data from their server. So where it is centralized, the data is centralized in a particular place in the Google server. So whereas in blockchain, the data is distributed across the entire networks of the computer system on the blockchain, right? So if you want an example, here we go. So a blockchain is a chain of blocks. It contains information. It basically contains information. So the block இருக்கும், like here you can see block இருக்கும். Each block contains certain information. So in the money information, for example, Bitcoin is also a blockchain, right? So Bitcoin block contains information about the sender, receiver and the number of bitcoins to be transferred. So இதெல்லாம் தான் வந்து அந்த பிட்காயினோட பிளாக்ல வந்து இருக்கும். என்னென்ன இருக்கும்? சென்டரோட இன்ஃபர்மேஷன், ரிசீவரோட இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் அண்ட் நம்பர் ஆஃப் பிளாக் செயின்ஸ் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஆகிருக்குல்ல, ஸோ அதோட இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஆல்ரைட், we are clear with what is meant by blockchain. Somewhat we are clear, right? So next வந்து நம்ம blockchainல வந்து small programs run பண்ணுவோம், which is known as smart contracts. So here we go. The smart contracts IBM websiteல இருந்து நம்ம படிச்சிருக்கோம். So smart contracts it's a simply program stored on the blockchain that runs when predetermined conditions are met. So ஒரு condition அதை reach பண்ணா it starts executing automatically. So it's a set of program, a simple program which is stored on the blockchain and which runs on the blockchain. So okay, clear. So நம்ம blockchain develop பண்ணோம்னா we need to write smart contracts. So what kind of programming language we should know in order to write a smart contracts? Let's go through it. So log rocket front-end analysis in our website I just went on. The first preference was solidity. So solidity is an object-oriented, statistically typed programming language, was designed to allow the developers to create smart contracts. So it is used to create smart contracts on the blockchain. So this language is heavily influenced by C++, Python and JavaScript. So if you know any one of this language, you can easily grab the solidity. So that's all about it. So in the examples we will see in the upcoming videos, and that's it for today. And in the next video we will see how to write a smart contract, a simple smart contract. Solidity is completely different programming language because நம்ம ஒரு input கொடுக்கிறோம், process of the output on the console we are not going to see. So we are going to write a smart contracts and we are going to deploy the smart contracts into the blockchain and see what happens, right? So that is one of the popular IDE. Let me give an introduction about it and then we will continue on in the next video. So remix is the name of the IDE, which is a JavaScript based IDE. You can run it on internet, in your browser. Let's see, it takes some time. Oh my god, I don't know why. remix.ethereum.org. So this is the website in which it's like an IDE. So IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So remix is an IDE for developing smart contracts using solidity programming language. So in next upcoming videos, we will write a simple smart contracts and deploy it into the EVM virtual machines. So here you can see you have to compile it and then deploy it, right? So in upcoming videos we will learn about it. So as of now, that's it. uh, Thank you for watching. uh, Please consider subscribing. Thank you. Bye.